CENTERFINDER. Simple yet effective board marking solution. Marking boards for cutting becomes a breeze with the CENTERFINDER. Priced at $7, this simple solution requires no batteries or complicated settings. Suitable for boards up to 65 millimeters, this tool offers both inch and millimeter markings with various increments, making it a convenient and fuss-free choice for construction jobs. Evolution Cordless R2700 WLT Live Work Light. Portable illumination for any workspace. Whether you're at a workbench or out camping, the Evolution Cordless R2700 WLT Live Work Light, priced at $63, is designed to shine. Offering 3 brightness options and up to 4.5 hours of operation from a single 2 amp-hour battery charge, this work light features 30 LEDs, a sturdy steel frame, and IP20 protection for confident use in cramped and dusty spaces. TOLSEN Revolving Punch Pliers, versatile tool for leather and DIY projects. Join the ranks of Hollywood stars like Julia Roberts and Casey Holmes with a handy tool for leatherwork. The TOLSEN Revolving Punch Pliers, priced at just $12, can create holes in 6 different sizes up to 4.5 millimeters. Handy for DIY projects involving cardboard, rubber, and plastic. This punch is a versatile addition to your toolkit. Kreg Micro Pocket Dem Drill Guide Kit 530, comprehensive toolkit for woodworking. Suitable for both beginners and professionals, the Kreg Micro Pocket Dem Drill Guide Kit 530 is a comprehensive toolkit featuring a docking station, expansion pack, jig clamp, drill guides, and more. Priced at about $300, it offers various drill guides, including one with an Automax clamp and vacuum cleaner connectivity for working with different workpiece thicknesses.